What if you could hire an AI assistant that works 24/7?
Start free. No charges until you upgrade. Just chat.
Hire your AI assistant for free. Connect via multiple social platforms. Research papers? Just ask in TapClaw. Find the latest papers on the topic. Summarized with core methods. Financial analysis? Just ask in TapClaw. Analysis of the latest filings from public companies. Summarize SEC filings and detect insider trading. Email management? Just ask in TapClaw. Check the latest unread emails and summarize them. Your inbox, sorted, summarized, delivered to you. Schedule everything? Just ask in TapClaw. Everything can be scheduled, all running automatically. Connect channels? Just try it in TapClaw. Now available on Telegram and WeChat, with more channels being integrated. ChatGPT answers questions. TapClaw works for you. Need more? Give your assistant a computer. Now your agent has its own desktop. Watch it work. Looking for targets? Just try it in TapClaw. One prompt, 50 leads, watch. Agent automatically finds CEO info, logs in a table, repeats 50 times. 50 leads, verified emails, LinkedIn profiles, one Google Sheet. Choose groceries. Just try it in TapClaw. One prompt, one cart. Watch. Plan confirmed. Apple, added. Milk, added. Watch the cart count go up. From prompt to checkout, 2 minutes. It stops before paying. More demos? TapClaw can do even more. Book flights and hotels to secure the best itinerary. Compare prices and reviews to choose the most suitable headphones. Search for valuable papers and automatically generate a review article. Assess repos, docs, and forum feedback to choose the best dev framework. VA costs $160. Agent computer, $2.60 per day. Price anchoring.